Hi, I'm Kerri from Ashcombe, and today we're making holiday bows. When choosing your ribbon, you want to make sure that it is wired on the edges. This will help stand up from wind, rain, or frost that might accumulate on your outside decorations. For a standard 24 to 30-inch wreath, a 3-yard bow is usually the perfect size. First, you want to start with your streamers. 6 inches is usually a good length, but if you want it longer or shorter, you can decide that depending on the size of your wreath. Next, you want to start by pinching your ribbon, and you're going to make your first loop. Then you're going to pinch, twist your ribbon so that the pattern side is always facing out, and you're going to make another loop. Then you want to pull them together to make sure they're the same size on each side of the bow. And then pinch your fabric, twist the ribbon, loop again and measure so that they're the same length. And you're going to continue with pinch, fold, and loop. When you get to the end, pinch the bow in the middle. You're going to put your wire around the middle of the bow and make it very tight. Then the trick is fluffing it. You're going to stand your loops up and puff them out. This is why the wire is important. It's going to help those loops stand out. Then to finish them off, you can fold them over and do a diagonal cut across the bottom. Gives it a little bit more finished look. Then you're going to take the wires, find a spot on the wreath where it looks like maybe it's a little empty. Twist your wires in the back, cut off the excess, and then you just move your bow and refluff it if it needs it. When you store your wreath, you can take the bow off and fold the bow so that you can use it from year to year. Be sure to fluff out your loops next year when you put your bow back on your wreath. Join me next week for more gardening tips from Ashcombe.